Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is, on July 5th, the Gujarat Division's Dahod Committee Training Class SOC was held in Jhaloda, presided over by social worker Anil Palchalne. As the keynote speaker, Naresh Bhai Panchal presented the concept of the campaign and the introduction of this training to everyone. In this training, Central Village Organization Chief Sansar Chand put forth the topic of Gram Sangathan Karyakarni and Ekal Gram Sangathan chapter and also discussed this topic with everyone. Overall, 90 people were present in this training. Second news. In Coimbatore, all the officials of the Women Committee of Friends of Tribal Society FTS and the children associated with it distributed bags, kits and sweets to the school students. The children were thrilled to see these beautiful gifts. Third news. On 6th July, a one-day committee training class of Zone Bani of Kathua was concluded under the chairmanship of Zone President Pawan Chauhan. On this occasion, officials of Anchal Samiti and Sant Samiti were present. In this meeting, everyone decided to form a Sant Samiti in the month of July and complete the training by the month of September. During this, 52 people were present. Fourth news. On 6th July, a one-day committee training class of Division South Himachal Part Sirmaur, Zone Antal, was concluded under the chairmanship of Zone President Bhanu Pratap Singh Rana. The chief guest of this program was Ratan Singh Chauhan. A total of 59 people were present in this class. In this class, a decision was taken to train the school committees at the group level through the meeting of Ekal Gram Sangathan by coming month of October. Fifth news. On 7th and 8th July, a committee training class was organized in Vyapar Sangh Bhavan, Supaul, under the chairmanship of North Bihar Division President Dr. Prabhat Ranjan Sultania. The chief guests of this program were Dr. Lalan Kumar Sharma, Deep Kumar ji, Manohar ji, Kameshwar Sharma ji and Ranjan Bagh ji, along with other divisions, zone committee officials and zone team workers. Sixth news. The villagers of Sarai Kola village of Silghara group in Kokrajhar zone of Lower Assam gave a grand welcome to the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath on 6th July. During this, the villagers welcomed the chariot as per the local tradition and entered the village while dancing and singing in devotion. After this, a satsang was organized and at the end of the program, all the villagers took prasad after performing the aarti. Seventh news. On 6th July, the one-day committee training class of Anchal Solan concluded in Saraswati Vidya Mandir Solan under the chairmanship of Division Sanskar Shiksha President Suresh Sharma ji in the presence of Sevavrati workers. During this time, the responsibilities of the subject committees were emphasized and a call was made to establish village organizations units in all small and large towns. 8th news. Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad South Delhi chapter organized a Van Yatra to Palampur, Himachal on 26th June, in which a total of 33 members participated. The objective of this yatra was to know the system of operation of Ekal Vidyalayas of North Himachal Division, to get information about social and economic changes happening due to Ekal and to add new donors. The speciality of this trip was that 20 people went on a trip for the first time with the purpose of understanding and connecting with Ekal. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.